Echoes of Robert Lee Frost. A Journey Through the Ordinary. Listen to the story carefully. Story 47. Waiting. Afield at dusk. I sat on the edge of the field as dusk thickened, boots dusty, coat stiff with evening chill. Shadows stretched across furrows and tall grasses, and I waited. Still as the land itself, listening to the soft rustle of leaves and the distant call of a bird heading home. The sky deepened to violet and gold. Clouds drifting lazily, and I felt the quiet pull of patience settle in my chest. A fox slipped through the brush, unaware of me, and I smiled. Knowing some things arrive only when you do nothing but wait. The air smelled of earth and cool dew, carrying the rhythm of the season, slow and steady. Stars peeked faintly above as I finally rose. Leaving the field behind, heart attuned to the small, unfolding mysteries that appear only to those who wait with quiet attention. Now listen to the poem. Dusk thickens, field stretches wide, boots dusty, coat stiff with tide. Shadows stretch on furrows deep, leaves rustle, birds homeward sweep. Sky shifts violet, gold and slow. Patience settles. Heart will know. Fox slips quietly through the brush, moments arrive without a rush. Earth smells sweet with evening dew, season's rhythm pulses through. Stars appear, faint light above. Field leaves behind, heart full of love. Waiting brings the small revealed, mysteries open to those unsealed.